Well, this is the new train back in the station, as you can see. Uh, this is the station of the Atlantic. That's where the coffee and the banana were exported from Costa Rica through Limon, which is the Atlantic port, all the way to England in the early 19th century. And the black people were brought from Jamaica in order to make the train lines, tracks, because this train goes from 1,200 meters above sea level, or about 3,000 feet above sea level, to sea level. This is the train. That's nice, huh? And this is the station, which has been remodeled. However, at night, the nighttime, it's not so impressive. Considering it doesn't make trips to the Atlantic anymore. But now we are into the front of the railroad station. It's my German grandfather, when he went to New York in the 1930s, he took a train to Limon and then a ship. So let's see if we can get a sight of the whole building from across. Now this is part of the city, as you can see. And I'm sorry, something went wrong. Oh, I ate some chicken that just came out. Let's see, hurry. Oops. Oh, you can see it on the night. Yeah, I was building in 1908. Well, folks, enjoy your company, and let's meet some other time here in San Jose, Costa Rica. Bye-bye. Pura vida.